Polyven Teachers, and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting video of English grammar. Today, I will be teaching you about regular and irregular verbs. So stay tuned to my channel #Polyven Teachers and watch the video till the end. So before I begin my today's class, let me just share the screen with you all. So as I said, today I will be teaching you about regular and irregular verbs. Let us see what is there in this module. Regular or irregular verbs. Verbs can be regular or irregular. How? Now regular verbs form their past tense and past participle by adding ed to the base form. So past tense and past participle is formed. So all those verbs which are added with ed, they become past tense and past participle. They are called as regular verbs. Like you can see in the slide, walk. This is the base form of the verb walk. And when we add ed, it becomes the past tense walked. And again, ed, it becomes past participle walked. Laugh, laughed, laughed. Paint, painted, painted. So these three verbs are called as regular verbs. Let us see what are irregular verbs. So irregular verbs form their past tense and past participle in a different way by adding ed to the base form. It becomes past tense and past participle. So there is a difference. So irregular verbs form their past tense and past participle in a different way from adding ed to the base form, past tense and past participle that we had already seen in the previous slide, that is in regular verbs. In regular verbs, we simply add ed to the base form and they become past tense and past participle. So they are called as regular verbs. But when we do not follow this rule, then the new words are formed and they are irregular verbs. The examples are sit. It becomes sat and sat. So we have not added ed. Instead, we have changed the vowel I with a. So past tense sat, past participle also sat. Ring, rang, rung. Rang, we have changed it with a. And in rung, we have again changed it with u. Similarly, in come, came, come. Cut, cut, cut. So these are irregular verbs. So types of irregular verbs. We distinguish three types of irregular verbs. They are as, first one is verbs in which all the three forms are same. Like cut, 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 put, 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 shut, shut, shut. Okay. Second type is verbs in which two of the three forms are same, like sit, sat, sat. The third form is verbs in which all the three forms are different, like ring, rang, rung. So below is a list of irregular verbs divided into the three types mentioned above. Some of them can also be regular. In such cases, the regular forms are also given. So type 1, if I consider, all the three forms are the same. So base form, past tense and past participle, three forms are given. Base form, the verb is bet, bet and bet. Three forms are same. Burst, burst, burst. Cost, cost, cost. Cut, cut, cut. Hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt. So in all these cases, we find that all the three forms of verbs are the same. This is the type 1. We have few more. Let, let. Put, put. Read, read. Set, set. Shut, shut. Split, split. Spread, spread. Now type 2. In type 2, we have two of the forms same. Like in the base form, if the verb is beat, past tense, and beaten. Become, became, become. Bend, bent, bent. Two of the forms are same. Bleed, bled, bled. It can be any two forms. Breed, bread, bread. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Burn, burnt, burned, or burnt, burned. Same. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Come, came, come. Creep, crept, crept. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. You have few more. Dream, dreamt, dreamed, dreamt, dreamed. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Get, got, got. Hand, hang, hung, hung. Have, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hold, held, held. Lay, laid, laid. Lead, led, led. Lean, lent, lean, lent, leaned, lent, leaned. Learn, learnt, learned, learnt, learned. Light, lit, lit. Lose, lost, lost. Few more are there. Leap, leapt, leaped, leapt, leap, leapt, leaped. Leap, leapt, leaped, leapt, leaped. Leave, left, left. Lend, lent, lent. Make, made, made. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Run, ran, run. Say, said, said. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Shine, shone, shone. Shoot, shot, shot. Sit, sat, sat. Sleep, slept, slept. Smell, smelt, smelled. Smelt, smelled. Speed, sped, sped. Spend, spent, spent. Spill, spilled, spilled. Spilled, spilled. Spell, spelled, spelled. Spelled, spelled. Spit, spat, spat. Spoil, spoiled, spoiled. Spoiled, spoiled. Stick, stuck, stuck. Stinge, stunge, stunge. Strike, struck, struck. Sweep, swept, swept. Swing, swung, swung. Teach, taught, taught. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Understand, understood, understood. Win, won, won. Wind, wound, wound. Now type 3. In this, all the 3 forms are different. So base form, if the verb is begin, it becomes began, begun. Bite, bit, bitten. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Fly, flew, flown. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Freeze, froze, frozen. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown. Hide, hid, hidden. Know, knew, known. Lie, lay, lain. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. See, saw, seen. Sue, sued, sewn, sued. Shake, shook, shaken. Show, showed, shown. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Sing, sang, sung. Sink, sank, sunk. We have few more words. Speak, spoke, spoken. Spring, sprang, sprung. Steal, stole, stolen. Stink, stank, stunk. Swear, swore, sworn. Swim, swam, swum. Take, took, taken. Tear, tore, torn. Throw, threw, thrown. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore, worn. Write, wrote, written. Now let us see what is this. The following verbs have an alternative past participle form ending in en, which can only be used adjectively. So verb, usual past participle and adjectival past participle. So if I say verb is drink, so usual past participle is drunk. But if I use adjectival past participle, then it is drunken. Melt, melted, molten. Prove, proved, proven. Shave, shaved, shaven. Shear, sheared, shorn. Shrink, shrunk, shrunken. Sink, sunk, sunken. strike, struck, stricken. Now compare the following sentence. The soldier has drunk liquor. That means a drunken soldier. The iron has melted. That means molten iron. He has proved it. A proven fact. He has shaved off his beard. A clean shaven face. They have sheared the sheep. A shorn sheep. The cloth has shrunk. A shrunken head. The cloth has shrunk. A shrunken cloth. The ship has sunk. A sunken ship. The clock has struck 5. The ship has sunk. A sunken ship. Now let us do one exercise. In the following sentences, change the verbs to the past tense. So the first sentence is, the old woman sits in the sun. What should be the past tense of this verb? The old woman sat in the sun. Sits become sat. Abdul swims very well indeed. Abdul swam very well indeed. His voice shakes with emotion. So shakes will be changed into past tense. His voice shook. He drives a roaring trade. He drove. He bears a grudge against his old uncle. He bore. He spends his time in idleness. He spent. He feels sorry for his faults. He felt. A portrait of Mahatma Gandhi hangs on the wall. A portrait of Mahatma Gandhi hung on the wall. The kite flies gaily into the air. The kite flew. He wears away his youth in trifles. He wore away his youth in trifles. Let us do one more exercise. Fill in the past tense or past participle of the verb given. So the verb is buy, and you have to fill the past tense of this verb in the sentences and also past participle. The old beggar was dashed by a mad dog. A mad dog dashed him. The old beggar was bitten by a mad dog. A mad dog bit him. Let's see. Yes. Next is swim. Verb is swim. The boy has dashed across the Indus. So when has is there, it should be the third form. The boy has swam. Has swum. Now the next verb is swim. And the sentence is, the boy has dashed across the Indus. So when has is there, it should be the third form. And the sentence would be now, the boy has swum across the Indus. A cloud swam slowly across the moon. Let's see. Next verb is write. I think he should have written and told us. Honesty is written on his face. So in both the cases, written third form is used. Lay. He dashed the book on the table. He had not dashed a finger on him, and they dashed their heads together. Let's see. He laid the book on the table. He had not laid a finger on him, and they laid their heads together. Next is lie. We dash beneath a spreading oak. He has long dashed under suspicion. So the sentences will be, we lay beneath a spreading oak. He has long lain. Next is stake. A beautiful shot from cover point, dash off the ball, and he has dashed a fancy to the ball. So a beautiful shot from cover point took off the ball, and he has taken a fancy to the ball. Next is go. Recently, the price of the sugar has gone up. The argument went home. The verdict went against him. Begin. He had begun his speech before we arrived. He began to talk nonsense. Bid. Do as you are bidden. He bade us goodbye. he paid 2,000 rupees for the pony. Do as you are bid or bidden. He bid us goodbye and he bid 2,000 rupees for the pony. Next is ring. Has the warning bell rung? I rang him up on the telephone. Thank you for watching this video. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is #PolygonTeaches. And yes, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my latest videos. Till I bring more videos, bye bye.